Partnership is looking to make satellites using wood. Here is what you need to know. Researchers from Kyoto University have teamed up with Japanese company Sumitomo Forestry to test the potential of using wood as a component in satellite construction, according to a report by the BBC and an article on Sumitomo Forestry's website. Tech Explorer notes that today's satellites use components such as Kevlar, aluminum, and aluminum alloys, which are so sturdy they hold up in orbit long after they have ceased to be of use. If left in orbit, they become space junk. According to the World Economic Forum, there are currently approximately 6,000 satellites orbiting Earth, only 60% are still in use, and some experts predict that nearly 1,000 new satellites will be launched each year in the coming decade. When these satellites deorbit and fall back to Earth, they break up into thousands of tiny particles, including alumina, and vaporize into metal gas. Citing Takao Doi, a professor at Kyoto University and a Japanese astronaut, the BBC reports that these particles float in the upper atmosphere for years and may eventually harm the environment. Satellites with wooden housings would leave fewer harmful materials behind when they burn up in the atmosphere. Per the BBC, the partnership will experiment with different types of wood in extreme environments on Earth and hopes to develop the world's first wooden satellites by 2023. Another benefit of using wooden housings is that many wavelengths of electromagnetic energy can pass through the material, so antennas could be housed internally. A Sumitomo Forestry spokesperson told the BBC that the wood it is using is an R&D secret. To be sure, most space junk comes from pieces of the rockets and other components used to lift satellites into orbit. Any wood left floating in space would, no pun intended, become harmful space junk as well. But as Sumitomo Forestry notes on its website, wood is a renewable resource, so any attempt at figuring out how to use it in space seems a worthy endeavor.